The number of high net worth individuals worldwide is soaring, with their wealth increasing by 4.7% in 2023 and their population growing by 5.1%. To delve into the financial maneuvers of the ultra wealthy, we turn to Elias Ganem, the global head of Gemini Research Institute of Financial Services. This is particularly intriguing. Elias began, especially when you consider the sheer number of new millionaires being created daily, not just in major cities like New York but globally. So, how is this surge impacting their investment strategies and returns? Reflecting on the past years, Elias noted 2022 was the year of the wealth preservation. The economic climate was uncertain, leading many to adopt a cautious stance, hoarding cash and waiting for clear signals. Consequently, both wealth and the population of wealthy individuals saw a decline. But the tide is turning in 2023. We are now witnessing a shift, Elias explained. Cash and cash equivalents have dropped to 25% of portfolios, while investments in fixed deposit, real estate, and alternative assets are rising. People are cautiously transitioning from the mindset of let's be safe to let's grow. The transition entails a higher appetite of risk. Yes, there is renewed interest in riskier investment, Elias acknowledged. Despite the complex geopolitical landscape with numerous elections and conflicts worldwide, the tech stock market is performing well, attracting bets from the wealthy. Our wealth report shows a cautious optimism with individuals beginning to take calculated risks. He recalled how the pandemic induced market dip of March 2020 created buying opportunities for those who had cash reserves. During that period, the wealthy were able to invest in three main areas: real estate, alternative investments like private equity, and cryptocurrencies. Real estate was particularly attractive due to high interest rates, making it an opportune time for those with cash to buy property. Private equity appealed to those with a long-term view, especially given the ongoing economic transformation towards renewable energy. Cryptocurrency invest varied, but interest in Bitcoin remained strong. As the conservation concluded, Elias reiterated the cautious yet optimistic outlook of the ultra-wealthy. While the environment remains complex, there is a clear shift towards growth-oriented investment. The wealthy are carefully placing their bets, seizing opportunities as they arise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.